Dads don't fail in business. They burn out after a strong start. They work hard, they do too much, and everything starts to feel heavy. Not because they are weak, but because there was no structure. In this video, I'll show you how to design your first 90 days so progress feels steady and not exhausting. I'm Luke, and I help working dads transition into entrepreneurship without blowing up their family and finances. The first 90 days are not about growth, they're about stability. Here's the rule. One offer, one place people find you, and one simple number you can track. If that sounds boring, good. Boring is sustainable. Days 1 to 30, proof. This first month is about proof. Someone is willing to exchange time or money for your offer. You do things manually on purpose. That's not inefficiency, it's information. Days 31 to 60, consistency. Same schedule, same actions, same expectations. You're asking one question. Can I do this without burning out? Days 61 to 90, refinement. Not expansion, improvement. You simplify what already works. If you feel a little bored here, you're doing it right. Burnout comes from chaos, not effort. Your first 90 days aren't about being impressive. They are about becoming stable. Structure first, fit second, validation third, consistency fourth. That's how working dads build businesses that last. And once you've got your first 90 days structured, the next thing that matters is keeping life and business in balance. In the next video, I'll show you 3 simple rules that help you build a business as a dad without letting it take over your life. Watch that one next.